So now that you've figured out your project costs and your emergency costs, which added together equal your total costs, I'm going to show you how you can make money in mountain weddings. Because if you're only covering your costs, you're only breaking even and you're missing out on the opportunity of mountain weddings. Serving mountain weddings allows you to charge more for a number of reasons. There is high demand and low supply, but the markets of the mountain towns tend to be higher. What that means is that your products and services are more valuable in a place like Vail than in a place like Denver because there are fewer competitors. Overall, the market is higher. People have a higher expectation of price somewhere like Vail than somewhere like Denver. To help you along, use bestplaces.net/cost of living to find out what your markup percent might be. Compare a place like Denver to wherever you're going to serve, Vail, Aspen, Telluride, Granby, and see what that percent difference in the overall cost of living is. That'll help you create this mountain markup. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to calculate is your mountain hourly rate. So take your normal rate, which hopefully you already know and already charge, and multiply it by that percent markup. So for example, Denver to Vail is a 48.3% markup. Then add that markup number back to your normal hourly rate, and you've got your mountain hourly rate. And this is how you're going to make money in mountain weddings. Now, the second calculation is your profit margin. Now, this is where we finally account for the time you're putting in. Whether you're a product or service provider, we know that time is money and you are putting time into each and every client. Now, whether that's time on the job, in preparation, travel, combine all those things together. Consider your total input of time and then multiply that by the mountain rate you just figured out. This is your profit margin. This is the money that you are going to make above and beyond your costs in serving this specific mountain wedding. Now, if you take the total costs you figured out in the last video and add the profit margin, that's going to give you your mountain package pricing. Congratulations, you did it. It was no big deal, right? But now you can see how that percent markup allows you to go from charging what you normally charge to charging a little bit more, depending on the area you're serving. Make sure to consider all the things like your competitors and their pricing, your experience, the services that you're going to offer as you consider this markup, but know that you can charge more in the mountains than you do in your normal area. So add total costs together plus that profit margin, and that's going to give you your mountain package pricing. Now get out there and advertise yourself to clients looking for the services and expertise that only you have to offer. And in the very last video, I'm going to tell you just how to do that.